Alright, we look at pop index. Alright, so what does pop index do? Let us have a look at this. Alright, so we stored our values in B. Alright, and let's say we stored, let's take up C. Alright, so let's say we have what we want to remove 5. Now if I use the dot remove function, so what it will do is that it will remove only the first 5. It won't remove the other 5. Alright, if I talk about removing of 7, it will remove only the first occurrence of 7, not the other occurrence of 7. So this is where pop index comes into picture. Alright, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say I want to remove this 7. Alright, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will be the what? 6 will be the position we'll enter, and it will remove 7. Now as we can see, the last 7 has been removed. Similarly, let's say we want to remove this 5. Alright, so what it will be? 0, 1, 2. So it has removed. We want to remove this one. So C dot pop 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6 and 1 will be removed. If we run this, as you can see, another one has been removed. So this is the pop index function. If we leave pop as blank, as empty, so it will do what? It will remove the last element. But if we write the index position, index value of the element, it will remove that very element as we saw. So this is what it is. This is the final function of list. Alright, let us have a look at a range command or function also. We call it as function. Function, range command or function. Alright, so this is what it is. Acha. So what we'll do is that we'll write, let's write E, or let's write R, R for range. So range, है ना? And we'll use what? A list. A range list. Close the brackets. So this is what it is, है ना? And if I write 10 over here, so what will it print? Let us see. It will print what? It will print first 9 natural numbers. Or not first 9, from 0 to 9 natural numbers, whole numbers it will print. It won't print 10, it will exclude 10. So as you can see, it has excluded 10. It has excluded 10. This is the rule actually. This is the rule. So we have to adhere by it. Alright. Let's say we write R list range 1 comma 10. So what will happen? It will start from 1 and end till 9. Now we've given a initiation. The initial value now will be 1. Let us print R. As you can see, it is 1. Now if I write over here as what? If I write over here as 1, it will exclude 11 and print. It will exclude 11 and print 10. So this is what it is. Alright. Next. Next what we'll do is that we'll be printing what? We'll be printing odd numbers. So we'll do what? We'll take up, we'll print odd numbers from 1 to 10. We'll take a variable r underscore odd list range 1 comma 11 comma 2. Alright, so this is what it is. Right, we'll take 1 comma 11 comma 2. So what will happen is that it will start from 1, run till 10, and skip one place and print the second one. The difference, the common difference between the two numbers that are besides each other will be 2. So as you can see, the common difference between the two numbers that are besides each other is 2. Jumping 2 places to it and printing the second place. Jumping 2 places, printing that second place. This is what. That's how we print the odd numbers. Alright. Moving further ahead. Talking about what? Talking about list slicing and dicing. So let us do what? Let us take B, or let us do what? Let us take one once again declare A. Five, 2, 7, 4, 1, 11. Right, so we have 10 elements. Let us print A. Let us start with slicing and dicing, but before we start slicing, we start dicing, let us look at how we access elements. We learned how we access positions. We learned how we access positions with the help of what? A dot index. Alright. With the help of A dot index and writing the element name, we got what? We got positions. Alright. Let's say for A dot index, let's have a look at it. A dot index 1. So 1 is at the 4th position. So this is what it is. Alright. Now what we'll do is that we'll basically. Alright. Now what we'll do is that we'll basically see how we can access elements by writing the positions. Let's say I want to access 1. Alright, I'll write over here as what? I'll write over here as 4, and it will give me what? 1, because 1 is at the 4th position. I want to access 15. So how I'll do that? I'll write. Let's take it in the next cell. I'll write 9, 8, 7, 7 position, and it will give me what? It will give me 15. Similarly, I want to access 5. I'll write A0. Let us take one more example. I want to access 9. So I'll do it. Take it as 20. I'll take it as A9, and 25 will be the answer in the output. So list slicing and dicing. Okay. So let us have a look at the new concept, list slicing and dicing. So let us do what? Let us print A freshly over here. Alright, let us say print A freshly over here. And let us do what? Let us say we want to access elements from 7 to 15. We want to access elements from 7 to 15 only. So how will we do that? We'll do that with the help of slicing. Alright, so let us do slicing. So what, in what position is 7? Position is at the second of position 7 is at the second position. Alright, position or 7th element is at the second position. So we always have the courtesy to check. Yes. And where is 15? 15 is at the 7th position. Alright, so this colon is what defines slicing. So it will do what? It will print till 7 and 15, but it won't print. It will do what? It will exclude the 7th position and include this one. the previous to the 7. So as you can see, it is printed till 11, but if we want to include 15, we will include 8th position. It will do what? It will exclude the 8th position and include the one before. So this is what it is.